Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to APSEX online sport program. Week 12, class 4. I, Maria Zafar, on the behalf of APS Middle Bahawalpur, is going to deliver a lecture on lifestyles. Textbook Social Studies Know Your World, page numbers 60 to 62, chapter 5, lesson Lifestyles. Here are some resources that are required for this lecture: textbook, internet, web organizers. Introduction of this topic. The basics of economy depends on how to manage finance in the face of limited resources. We have to make intelligent choices when spending money. So, word economy means money. So, major important thing is money that we require to select anything, to choose anything. Objectives. At the end of the lessons, you will be able to learn the terms economic choice and opportunity cost and relate it to their daily lives. Number 2, understand that families and even government have to make these choices while taking financial decisions. Success criteria. Here is some criteria for the success. Remember to choose the things that are in your buying limit. Select the item that is needed by you. What is economic choice? The thing that you choose on the basis of your money, on the basis of economy, is called economic choice. When you choose to buy one thing instead of something else, you make an economic choice. For example, in picture number 1, you can see the needs. These are the basic needs: water, food, shelter, clothing. And in picture number 2, you can see the wants and desires. Like we want to buy a car, we want toys, pets and candies. Economic choice. As you know, we have unlimited wants and limited resources. Due to the economic problem, we have to select the things that are necessary for us, that are beneficial for us. Need versus want. Before making economic choice, we should know the difference between need and want. What is need? A need is something which is necessary for our survival, such as shelter, food, clothes and water. Want. What is want? Want, our desire. A want, on the other hand, is something we desire but don't require as necessity. Need versus want. In the first column, you can see the needs. The number 1, water. Number 2, shelter. Number 3, food. And in column number 2, you can see the wants. Number 1, ice cream, movie ticket, new car. These are not necessary for our survival, but these are the demands and desires of the life. What is an opportunity cost? Opportunity cost is the cost of passing out the next best choice when making a decision. In economics, there is a special name for alternative, which would be someone's next best choice. This alternative is called the person's opportunity cost. So it means alternative is called the opportunity cost. Alternatives. In the first picture, these are the foods, drinks, these are the primary needs, these are compulsory for the survival of the life. And in picture number 2, you can see the game. So this is not necessary for our survival. Families make economic choices. Families also make economic choices by saving money from their salaries. every month to spend on goods and services that they need. Number 2, they make economic choices in deciding what they should buy and what they should give up as an opportunity cost. Here is an example for you. A family wants to buy a sofa and buy a refrigerator. So there are two alternatives or two choices. They have to prioritize their need and make an economic choice of buying a fridge, which will be beneficial for them in a long run. Government makes economic choices. Economic choices in taking wise decisions for public health. Number 1 is against contagious diseases like polio and COVID-19. Number 2, preventive measures to save the expenses and lives of the people. Number 3, spending relatively small amount. Number 4, vaccination programs. So it means government take those decisions that save their resources and also the lives of the people. So students, hope you all understood the concept taught in this video. Now give a recap. Economic choice is the decision we make when we buy things. We know our needs and wants. We also consider our opportunity cost while buying the necessities. Families and government also make economic choices. Now here are some vocabulary words. You have to find the meaning of these words. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay home. Allah Hafiz.